to the binary, and then we are going to perform the logical AND operation between the subnet mask and the given IP address. Whatever will be the result, that will be the subnet address. Particular subnet ની અંદર જે હશે એનું first IP address આપણને મળી જશે by performing the AND operation. Okay, so this is a simple thing do how to find the subnet mask. So you have to identify how many extra ones or how many zeros will be there in the subnet mask. Okay, so if we are given the subnets, so we can find the value of them. If we are given the number of the host per subnet, then we can identify the value for the zeros. How many zeros will be there? Okay. Okay, let's see one more example. Okay. My assignment post. You have to write an assignment for the examples, right? Based on the subnetting and the IP addresses. But I જોયું કે બાકી છે. Deadline is this Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Friday સુધીમાં complete કરવાનું છે. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Of that, those examples, right? જે ક્લાસમાં અપલોડ કર્યું છે એના જેવા જ છે. So you can get the idea. Okay, next is company is granted with the site address 201.70.64.0 and the company needs 6 subnets and design the subnets. Now here, the problem is what? Number of the subnets is not the power of 2. It is 6. Right? Then how we are going to design the subnet? The same thing what we have done here, right? Subnet mask find karo, and based on that, we can identify the subnets, right? So here, first of all, again, the default subnet mask for this C. This 201 belongs to which class? Class C. Right? It belongs to class, yes. So in the class C, we have 24 bits for the network ID and 8 bits for the host ID. So default subnet mask will be 255, 255, 255.0. Right? So now here we have to find the number. Here we are given the number of subnets equal to 6. So here the same formula we are going to find number of subnets equal to 2 raised to n. So here 6 equal to 2 raised to n. Right? Here 6 equal to 2 raised to n. So what will be the value of the n? So what's the value? Anybody? Can you tell me the answer? What will be the value of the n? Log 6 divided by log 2. So answer 3. Go ahead. 3. Okay, so here we have found the value of n equal to 2.58, which is which can be converted into 3. Okay, so how many bits in the subnet mask that is going to have extra ones? 3. All of you getting?
Yes.
How padે છે? Okay, so how subnet mask equal to 111, 111 and 1 dot again 8, right? And these 3 ones will be there and remaining 5 bits will be 0. So this is the subnet mask. Okay. Now here in the question, what is given? Design the subnets. Design the subnets. Okay, so here actually we are going to have 8 subnets. If we take 3 once, we have taken 3 bits from the host ID. That means number of the subnets actually will be 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 will be what? 8. So here actually we are going to have 8 subnets, but we are going to give only 6 subnets to this particular network. Okay. So to this particular company, we are going to give only 6 subnets. So first 6 subnets will be assigned to this company. So we are going to find the combinations, right? So combinations, and you can see subnet number. First combination will be 000. It is your subnet 1. Next will be 001, then 010, then 011, then 100, 101, 110, and last will be 11. These are the subnets. Okay, so this is subnet 1. Next we are going to have subnet 2. Sorry. Then it is subnet 3. It is subnet 4. The subnet 5, subnet 6, sorry, subnet 7, and it is subnet 8, right? So this is what? These are the first bits. Okay. So here first subnet is going to have all the IP addresses which are starting from the 000 in the host ID part. This is subnet 2, in which all the IP address will have the 001 prefix. Then it will be 010 for the subnet 3 and so on. Okay, so this is for the subnets. Okay, now we have to design the subnet. So here subnet 1, that design the subnet means we have to identify the range of the subnet. So for the subnet 1, the IP address, as you can see here, it is 201.70.60.40. So for the subnet 1, it will start from the, obviously it will start from the 0. Every IP address will start from the 0. Okay, and how many bits for the host? It is 5. So 2 raised to 5 will be 32. Everybody is getting what I'm saying? How many subnets, how many hosts will be there? 2 raised to h, where h is what? Number of the 0. So 2 raised to, how many zeros are there? 5. So 2 raised to 5 will be 32. ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here the range for the subnet 1 will start from the 201.70.64.0 to 31. That is the range of the subnet 1. For the subnet 2, it will be 201.70.64.32 થી લઈને it will be 63. Right, I'm just copying, just changing the last 63. Then subnet 3 will be from the 64 to, it will be 95. I'm just adding 32, 32, 32, right? Because each and every subnet is going to have 32 hosts, 32 IP addresses. So I'm just 32 plus 32, it will be 64. But as we have considered 32, we are going to take 63. Right? Next, we'll start from the 64 plus 32, it will be 96. But we have considered the 64, so it will be 95. બંને consider થશે, 64 પણ થશે અને 95 પણ થશે. Total it will be 32. Okay. Then for the subnet 4, it will be 96 to 127, and subnet 5, it will be 128 to, it will be 159. If I add 32, it will be 160, but I'm going to take 159. And last, that we want to give only 6 subnets, so it will be 160 to, it will be 191. Okay, so these are the subnets. Okay, જે આપણે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હતું, design the subnets. So these are the subnets. Okay, this is the range of the subnet. All of you getting? શું કર્યું ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર? So you do not need to get confused whenever you are asked to find the subnet which is not in the power of 2, right? Here 6 is not actually the power of 2, but we can still identify how many hosts will be there. Out of 8 subnets, you can assign 6 subnets to particular company. Okay, so remaining 2 subnets, subnet 7 and subnet 8 will not be assigned. That means those many IP address will not be given to any particular host. Okay, ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So why there is a need of the subnet mask? Because we want to find how many hosts will be there, because we want to find the range. Range કેવી રીતે ખબર પડશે? Number of 0 per thing. Right, so number of the host equal to 2 raised to h. Same formula છે, number of the subnet ની જગ્યા પર number of the host આવશે અને n ની જગ્યા પર આવશે h. Okay, a number of zeros we are already having, that is the value of h we are already having. That's why we can find the number of the host. Okay, next is for a given network 195.188.65.0, design the equal subnets in such a way that each has at least 60 nodes. Right? Now, હવે શું આપ્યું છે ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર? એક IP address આપ્યું છે, right? And આપણે number of subnets નથી આપ્યા. They are asking us to design equal subnets. But here in the question, we are already given how many hosts will be there in each subnet. Minimum 60 હોવા જોઈએ. Okay, minimum 60 IP address should be there in each subnet. All of you getting? So instead of the number of the subnets, we are given the number of the host in the question. ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just taking the formula from here. Okay. So here number of the nodes, or you can say host, are already given in the question, which is equal to 2 raised to h. Okay, and we are going to find the value of the h, and here number of the hosts are 60. Okay, so here just find out the value of the h. So say h ni value
6.
It will be log 60 divided by log 2. So answer h no. All of you just find out. Okay, so here if I write here log 60, okay, sorry, my bad, log sorry, it is 60, finding the log value, divide by fine. If you will find out log 60 divided by 2, it will be answer. So just all of you just calculate and let me know. It is 5.90, right? It is nearly 5. Right? So it will be 6. We can convert 5.9 into 6. That means number of zeros in the subnet mask will be 6. Right? We are getting how many zeros in the subnet mask? 6, because we have found the value of the h, not the n. Right? So subnet mask equal to, now here first of all 195, it belongs to class C. Right? So this is important. अगर जो अपन ने कया क्लास नो IP address ये खबर नहीं हसे, then we cannot identify how many ones will be there for the network ID. Okay, so here 195 belongs to class C, so it will be 1111. First 24 bits will be 1, and remaining 2 bits are also 1 and 6 bits will be 0. Okay, this is important. These 6 bits are 0 because the value of the h is 6. Okay, ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many subnets are there? From this subnet mask, can you tell me how many subnets are there? Yes, number of the subnets are 4. 2 raised to 2. Number of ones are 2. So number of the subnets will be 2 raised to 2. 4. So from this you can identify the range of the subnet. Badal thase? Can you identify the range of the subnet? Yes or no? Okay, just copy from here to find the number of the subnet. Instead of here we have to find number of the subnets equal to, it is any value che 2 because of this extra ones, that is 2. That's why I'm taking n equal to 2, and here the number of the subnets will be 4. Okay, number of the subnets here will be 4. So subnet 1 in range of say we are going to take this IP address. Each and every subnet is going to have how many IP addresses? કેટલા આવશે?
64.
64. So it will be 195.188.65 થી લઈને 63. Next is subnet 2 is going to have 195.188.65 64 થી લઈને 127. Right, next subnet 3 is going to have 195.188.65.128 થી લઈને 191, and then last will be subnet 4. It is 195.188.65.192 up to 255. Last IP address will always be 255. ખબર પડે છે બધાને? Sorry. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, this one is kind of different, right? Here in the question we are given the IP address but in the hexadecimal notation, and we have to convert into the dotted decimal notation. Dotted decimal notation, that is this form, right? We have to put the dots between the decimal numbers, right? And here the notation is given in the hexadecimal form. So how we can convert? See here, first of all the hexadecimal notation is that is C2, CF, 15 and B2, right? So here we are going to divide it into the 4 parts, because in the dotted decimal notation we have the decimal number in 4 parts, right? So we have to divide it into the 4 parts. So here first of all this C2, CF, 15 and sorry it is B2. All of you getting? We are going to divide this into 4 parts. So here it is C2, CF, 15 and B2. Now just convert this hexadecimal into the decimal, or you can convert it into the first binary and then decimal. So we know what is the binary for C, right? So here it will be 1100. So C means 12. ખબર છે ને બધાને hexadecimal notation?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Means 12. So it is 1100. Means it is 0010, right? Next is CF, right? So here CF means it is again, sorry, it is not CF, it is my mistake, it is actually 2F, right? In the question it is 2F. Or if you take CF, then also it is okay. But I'm taking 2F, so it is 0, 0, 1, 0. And F means all are ones. That is the last, that is 15, right? Then next is 1. So here it is not 15, actually it is 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Then B2 means it is 11, so it is 1, 0, 1, 1, and 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the binary. Right? So it is just putting dot between them. Okay, so now if you will take this entire 8 bits and if you will convert into the decimal, right? So it is which first is 128th bit, then it is 64, then 32, then 16.84.2 and 1. All of you getting this 1, this third, actually શું કરું છું ખબર પડે છે? First bit represent the 128, second bit represent the 64, 0 represent this 32, 0 is for the 16, then this 0 is for 8, this 0 is for 4, then 1 is for the 2, and this 0 is for the 1. It is the power of 2, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and so on, up to 8 bits. ખબર પડી છે બધાને?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so here first, no? કોઈ એવું છે જેને નહીં ખબર પડી? Is there anyone who is not getting this? Okay, fine. Right, so here I'm just taking these 8 bits and these 8 bits correspond to this 128, 64, 32, and just now look at on which particular bit we are having 1. So here first 128th bit is set to 1, so it is 128 plus 64 is also set to 1, so 128 plus 64 કરવાનું છે. Then here only the second last bit is 1, so that is correspond to 2. So here 128 plus 64 plus 2. What is the answer? It is 194. ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes.
Okay, next here it is 2. This one means 32 and all are 1, right? Last 4 bits are all 1, so it is 8421. So 8421, that is 15 plus 32. So it will be 79, right? Next 15, right? 15 માં શું આવશે? It is 16th, that is this one is set to 1, then it is 4 and it is 1. If you will perform the addition, it will be 21, and last it is 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 2. It will be total 226. ખબર પડી બધાને? So this is the dotted decimal notation for this particular hexadecimal. ખબર પડી બધાને? કે ફરીથી કરાવું?
Yes.
Okay, so if any IP address is given, right, in the hexadecimal notation, you should be able to convert into this dotted decimal notation. It is not always the case, it is hexadecimal. Sometimes it may be given in the octal. Right, તો પણ તમને આવડવા જોઈએ. And you have to just convert, or you have to just divide into the 4 parts and then convert into the dotted decimal, right? Okay, last. For the given IP address 205.16.37.39/28 in some block of the addresses, calculate the address mask, then first address of the block, last address of the block, and the number of the addresses in the block. Now here in the question we are given just one IP address, that is 205.16.37.39/28, right? /28, which is given the question. We are not given any subnet mask, we are not even given number of the subnets, plus we are not even given number of the IP address or number of the host in each subnet, then also we have to find the first subnet mask. Address mask is nothing but the subnet mask, right? Then the first IP address of each block, or you can say first block, and the last address of the block. Okay, આ પર્ટિક્યુલર IP એડ્રેસ જે પર્ટિક્યુલર સબનેટને બિલોંગ કરતું હશે એનું ફર્સ્ટ IP એડ્રેસ જોઈએ છે, અને આ IP એડ્રેસ જે બ્લોકને બિલોંગ કરતો હશે એનું લાસ્ટ IP એડ્રેસ જોઈએ છે, પ્લસ કેટલા એડ્રેસીસ હશે, આવા બીજા કેટલા એડ્રેસીસ હશે જે પર્ટિક્યુલર બ્લોકમાં હશે, રાઈટ? સો હિયર ઇન ધ ક્વેશ્ચન વી આર જસ્ટ given IP address is 205.16.37.39/28. So મેં તમને આગળ કીધેલું હતું, here /28 means this represent the number of the ones in the subnet mask. So here /28 means first 28 bit in the subnet mask will be 1. The remaining bits will be 0. So first we are going to find the address mask from this given IP address, that is first 28 બધા તમારે શું મૂકી દેવાના છે 1. So first 8 bits 111. Okay, 8 થઈ ગયા. Then next 8 it will be 16, 24. Now 28, that means 1111. Total થઈ ગયા 28. હવે કેટલા બાકી છે? 32 માંથી 28 જાય તો કેટલા બાકી? 4, right? So 4 bits will be 0. ખબર પડે છે બધાને શું કર્યું, કેવી રીતે એડ્રેસ માસ્ક ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
from this /28 we have to just put first 28 bits 1. Remaining જે 32 માંથી 28 જે જતા રહ્યા સિવાયના 4 bits will be compulsory 0. So first આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હતું એડ્રેસ માસ્ક, we have already found, right? Now we have to find the first address of the block. કેવી રીતે find થશે first address of the block? શું કરવાનું first address find કરવું હોય તો we have to perform just the logical AND operation between the subnet mask and the given IP address, right? We have to just perform the binary logical AND between this subnet mask and the given IP address. So first of all we have to convert this IP address into the binary. Okay, so I'm just taking this IP address, right? What would be the binary? કેવી રીતે કન્વર્ટ કરશો? 205. કેવી રીતે થશે બાઇનરી? કોઈને આવડે છે?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 2. Okay, or another formula is what? See, just I'm taking the calculator, right? Here first just check 205, right? આપણી પાસે bits કેટલા હોય? 128, then 64, then 32 dot. You just let me. Okay, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1, right? All of you getting this? We have 8 bits, so we are going to take 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 2 raised to 7 will be 128. Now just compare this 205 with the first one, that is 128. So 205 is greater than 128. Just write here 205 minus 128, because we can we can perform the subtraction, right? 205 is greater than 128. That means we have already used the bit 128. Okay, so on the 128 I'm going to put 1. 205 is greater than 128, that's why I'm putting 1. ખબર પડે છે બધાને હું શું કહું છું?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now what I'm getting? 77, right? If I perform the subtraction between that, then I'm getting what? 77. Just compare 77 with the next bit, that is 64. Obviously 77 is greater than the 64. Just perform the subtraction. So here, that means on the 64th bit I'm going to put 1. My 64th वाला bit use कर दो. Now I'm having 13. 13 is greater than 32. 13 is greater than 32.
No.
No. So we are going to put for the 32 0. Then 13 is greater than 16. No.
No.
right? So again 16 પર પણ શું આવશે 0. 13 is greater than 8. Yes, right? 13 is greater than 8. So we are going to use the bit for 8. That is 5. So here for the 32 it is 0. For the 16 it will be 0. For 8 we are going to put 1. Right? Next 5 is greater than 4. Yes. So we are going to use the bit for the 4. So it is 1. Right? Now 1 is greater than 2. No. So it is 0 and 1 is equal to 1. So we are going to take that 1. So this is the binary for this 205. ખબર પડી બધાને?
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So this is how you can convert for the remaining number. For the 16 definitely you are going to put 1 for the 16th number bit. Right? So it will be I'm just writing here 0 0 0. Then for the 16 I'm going to put 1. The remaining will be all 0 for the 16. Right? I'm just directly putting 1 for the 16. Remaining all will be 0. Right? Then for the 37 you can do the same. Check for the 128. 37 is not greater than the 128. So put 0. It is not even greater than 64. Again it is 0. For the 32 we can put 1 because 37 is greater than 32. So it will be 5. So here I'm just taking 0 0 1 then 5. So for that it is 0. 8 is also 0. 4 mate 1. 2 mate 0 and 1 mate 1. Okay, and last 32. That means you can direct it is 39, right? So it will be 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, right? So this is the binary for the 39. You can take 32, then you have to just take this 1 1 1. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1. Total it will be 39, right? So this is the binary. So it will not take much time, right? Rather than dividing every time with the 2, you can directly perform the subtraction and you will be getting the binary for any number. Okay. So now just perform the binary AND operation so that you will be getting what? First address of the block. Just perform the binary AND operation between these two. Okay. Okay, just I'm performing. Okay, first 1 1, it will be 1. Both are 1, so it is 1. ખબર પડે છે બધાને હું શું કરું છું? બાઇનરી એન્ડ ઓપરેશન, લોજિકલ એન્ડ ઓપરેશન પરફોર્મ કરું છું to get the first address. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now 1 0, so it will be 0. At any one of them is 0, so answer will be 0. Then it is 0. Both are 1, so 1 1 0 1. Okay. Next it will be, so here as I said, if we are having all ones, right, no need to perform the AND operation. Just copy the remaining portion. It will be as it is. તમે compare તમે find કરશો તો આપણો answer same જ આવશે, because if we are having all ones, right, the remaining will be having this portion, then any of the 0 it will be 0. So obviously અહીંયા જ્યાં પણ 0 હશે ત્યાં 0 જ આવશે અને 1 હશે તો 1 જ આવશે, right? Now we have to perform the AND operation between the last group. Okay, so it is 1 0, it is 0 0, both are 1, so 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is what the first IP address, and if you will convert this IP address into the decimal, it will be definitely 205.16.37. After the same as avse, because it is the same as the previous one. First 3 groups are same as the previous one, so I'm just writing from here, right? Just last portion will be different. So here which bit is set to 1? It is 128 64 32. So it is set for the 32. So it is 32. ખબર પડે છે બધાને?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the first address of the block. So it is the first address of the block. Okay, so that is the first address. Now last માટે શું કરવાનું? To get the last address of the block, to get the last address of the block શું કરશું? We are going to take the subnet mask. Okay, just take the subnet mask. Okay. Okay, and just perform the ones complement. Just perform the ones complement of the subnet mask, right? To get the last address, right? So, 1 will be 0. So, first everything will be 3. Okay, these all are 0. Again, 8 bits are 0. I'm just performing the ones complement. Ones complement means yeah 1 as it is 0 and 0 as it is 1. Now here it is 4 zeros and last all are 1. Okay, so this is what the ones complement. Now perform the OR operation between the IP address given in the question, that is this one, right, and the ones complement of the subnet mask. That is it. ખાલી તમે શું કર્યું છે ઉપરના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ફર્સ્ટ આઈપી એડ્રેસ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે બંનેની વચ્ચે એન્ડ ઓપરેશન કર્યું, જ્યારે હવે શું કરવાનું છે ઓર ઓપરેશન પરફોર્મ કરવાનું છે, બટ કોની વચ્ચે વન્સ કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ લેવાનું છે. સબનેટ માસ્કની જગ્યા પર શું લેવાનું છે વન્સ કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ ઓફ ધી સબનેટ માસ્ક, રાઈટ, એન્ડ ધેન જસ્ટ ટેક ધીસ આઈપી એડ્રેસ which is given in the question, right? Perform the OR operation. Sorry. And whatever will be the answer, it is your last address of the block. So obviously it will be what? 1. 1.1 હશે ત્યાં શું આવશે answer? 1. It is OR operation, not AND. So it is, again it will be repeated as above, right? 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 at 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 dot. Now just perform this OR operation between these two. So 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, so here for this portion, previous case માં જે હતું એ જ અહીંયા ફરીથી repeat થશે, right? And here it will be this. Last item. So, no.
મેમ તમારો અવાજ નહીં આવે.
Yes or no? Am I audible? Am I audible or not?
મેમ વોઇસ ધીમો આવે છે બહુ.
Anybody please keep it open so that I can understand. Everybody, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ખબર પડી શું કર્યું? Okay, fine. And the number of the addresses in the block, how you can find from the subnet mask. So here number of the addresses will be identified from the number of 0. So 2 raised to 4. That is your answer for the number of addresses. So here number of zeros are 4. So number of the addresses equal to 2 raised to h, where h equal to 4. So 2 raised to 4 will be your answer. So answer will be 16. Okay, so I'm not showing that number of addresses. Okay.